we are going to see three formulas: subtotal, sum product and SumIf. These three formulas are frequently used in Excel. First, we will start with subtotal. We can do subtotal sum in three ways. First way is directly writing formula where we need the calculation. We start with equal to subtotal and select it from the drop down and press tab, which will put the entire formula. Now select sum function by typing 9, then comma, and then select range. For us, range is the value column. We now place our cursor at top cell and press Shift, Control and down arrow button from the keyboard to select the range. Range is selected and we can now close the bracket. Value has come to the place where we needed it. We select one brand to see if it is working or not, and here we can see it is working. If you are new to Excel, you can type formula and you will get the result. Second method is easier with the creation of table on the data range. Go to the insert menu and select table. And in the pop-up window that opens, notice that range is already selected. Press OK and table will be created. Go to the table menu and you will see a total row checkbox which you can click and you will be done. Now we will test the data. We will select brand from filter and see the result. And as you can see, it is subtotal. Third method is the easiest way to get subtotal. Go to the insert menu and click on pivot table. And in the pop-up window that opened, notice that the range is already selected. Instead of the new worksheet option, we will choose existing worksheet. After activating the existing worksheet radio button, you will need to provide a location. Drag and drop brands in rows and total sales in value section and you are done. Now you can see all brands with separate subtotal along with total given value. Next topic is sum product. You can use sum product when there are two or more columns. Something like what you see here. We have one column price per unit and second column quantity sold. We will begin writing our formula equal to sum product. And you will see it appear in the drop-down menu. And select it by pressing tab. First select price per unit range. Next press comma. And then second column quantity sold. And complete it by closing the bracket. Now as you can see, it is calculating each row price per unit multiplied with quantity sold. And sum total of the multiplication will be available with sum product. Next topic is SumIf. Use of SumIf to get sum of range with a specific keyword or criteria. Like in our case, we need this for AB cookies. Begin writing the formula with equal to SumIf and select it from the drop-down menu by pressing tab. Now first give the range from where formula will get name of AB cookies. Press comma and then insert what we want from that range. In our case, we need the total of AB cookies. As we have written here, now last range is the total sales from where we need the values. Now it is done. You can change the name of brand and see data update. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it helped you in learning about these formulae. And if it did, consider dropping a like on this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.